Presenting the team aura. Myself, K.Navaneeth, and the following team members are Rajavardhan and Rangasai. Our innovation focuses on problem faced by students in schools using a simple application. This is the basis of our idea.
We present a solution Aura, which solves the problem of overloaded studying by turning long lectures into instant summaries, quizzes, and flashcards. Students generally face this problem due to long school hours. Over 1.5 billion students face learning problems due to this. It's important as it makes education equal and future job opportunities equal by making everyone learn equally and properly.
Progress we have made so far. We have successfully created the prototype with summarizing tool, AI chat, flashcard, and multiple features which are really helpful for our students. We received many feedbacks from our teachers as well as students saying that it reduced our work. Our future plans. In 12 months, we'll be including AI exam simulator, 3D video generator in our app, which helps the students to make their study better in physics as well as maths. We'll be improving day by day by the feedback of our customers. Thank you.